Hello and welcome to our channel NIIR Project Consultancy Services. Do you want to start sanitary napkin, baby and adult diapers manufacturing business or expanding an existing one? Then you have come to the right place and you must watch the entire video with us. Our company NPCS is a well-known technical consultancy that focuses on project reports compilation in this ever-changing market, and we have been following a strict system and procedure to ensure only top quality in accordance with our clients' expectations. NPCS also publishes a monthly magazine, Entrepreneur India. Since 1995, this has been widely read by entrepreneurs, businessmen, etc. Starting sanitary napkins, baby and adult diapers manufacturing business? Get all details about sanitary napkins, baby and adult diapers business in this video. First, sanitary napkin manufacturing business. Many people doesn't realize that more than 3 billion sanitary napkins are being used every year. And that means a lot of opportunities for those who can meet customers' needs on a local level. Sanitary napkin is a single-use pad of material used by women during menstruation. Disposable sanitary napkins are generally made of absorbent cellulose pulp or non-woven fabrics like rayon or cotton. Market demand. Demand for sanitary napkins will rise with increasing awareness about their uses in women's hygiene. There's been a shift from usable products towards disposable ones. Increased usage of sanitary napkins has been stimulated by population growth as well as rising disposable incomes. Second, baby diaper and adult diapers manufacturing unit. A diaper is a type of underwear used by infants and young children who are not yet potty trained or who need protection against urinary or fecal incontinence, or by adults with medical conditions that cause them to become incontinent. There are two types of diapers: cloth diapers or disposable diapers, based on their usability. The disposable diapers are very popular in today's era, as they can be thrown away after use. Market demand. The demand for such products is huge and is not going anywhere anytime soon, especially with newborn birth rates predicted to stay steady for at least another decade. This means that there is a huge market opportunity for you if you have decided that you want to be a part of it. The global adult diaper market is also growing at a CAGR of 5.7%. The rising healthcare costs in developed countries is one of the factors driving growth in demand for adult diapers. With elderly population rising steadily, healthcare facilities are focusing on providing cost-effective care with minimum disruption or patients' daily routines. NPCS can prepare project reports on any business idea you have. The project report includes all part of the business, from market analysis to confirming the availability of numerous necessities, such as equipment and machinery, raw materials and financial projections. Engineers, project consultants and industrial consultancy businesses from all over the world have been profited from the NPCS project report. NPCS also publishes technological, technical, reference, self-employment and startup publication, a directory, company and industry database, and much more, all of which will be found on the official website. Thank you for watching our video. If you have enjoyed our video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Also, click on the bell icon. You can also comment us about this video. Please visit to our website for more information. And you can also reach us at. You can follow us on other social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Google My Business, ScribeD, SlideShare. Links are given below in the description. So see you again. Till then, goodbye.